Hi, just a short video to show the condition of this GTech AR2 AR29 cordless vacuum cleaner. So it comes in good, used, clean condition as pictured. Everything's been cleaned inside and out. The battery will last for a continuous 45 minutes, which is really good. And I'll just put it together and try to do this one-handed to show you. Just show you the bottom as well. Everything's nice and clean. Can't do that one-handed. Bear with me. To put it together, let's simply pull the pin out, push this in, and then that's it. To extend, black button here, and then pull handle up. And to turn on, simply press the button here. Comes with the original charger as well. Any questions at all, please just ask. Thanks for watching.